Good morning. It is day 6. Yes, what is it? Thursday. It's Wednesday, 20th of August 2025. And feeling a much more energy today. Feeling a little bit more pumped. I have decided we're going to go to the truck rental mob and we're going to go and check out some trucks and see if we can't get our gear down south in one hit. So that is the mission today. Check out the truck, book it, go back to Bunnings, get some more packing tape because we didn't get enough yesterday. And yeah, that is the mission for today, and also tying up a few loose ends. So anyway, let's get our journey started. Alright guys, we are on our way to Bunnings to get ourselves some boxes and tape and all that crap we need to start packing some linens. And I've been really busy the last 2 days basically dealing with data management and wrangling data, because I had to prepare my laptop for this journey, and I've got to freaking make sure everything's schmick, our editing software is working and everything's cleared up. So I've spent time doing that, and then I had to, my main system, I had to back up all my data on there because I don't know where my computer's going to end up. I'll probably lend it to my son, but yeah, I've got to back that data up. So yeah, it's been frustrating, man. 2 days of this. So I am multitasking all day, every day, and I feel like I'm not getting anywhere. But now I've done all the data wrangling, I'm comfortable where we are with that. Then we're going to start packing this evening. Actually, my son's going to help. He's such a good kid. Very, very good kids I've got, and he's going to help us out. Alright guys, here we are at the truck joint. I want to check out the size of these trucks and see if we can bring all our stuff in one go. So yeah, I reckon we could definitely do this in one hit. Alright guys, that's a sweet deal. We're going to get this vehicle for 2 days. It's going to cost us $450. That's 1 month's rent in a container. So we're going to be able to take all this shit down there. So I'm very happy about that. It's actually quite cheap. So I think all in with fuel, $600. So we're getting this, what is it, a 5-tonner? Oh no, 3.5 ton truck. It's got plenty of room, and they quoted us $450 for 2 days. Gives us 900 kilometers, and insurance is a little bit more. So I reckon with fuel, all in, we're probably looking at around, I reckon about $650, but to rent a storage unit in this city to hold the amount of crap we've got, it's going to cost $500 a month. So we are way ahead of the game. We're going to do 1 trip. We don't have to do 2 trips in the 4-wheel drive. We would have spent $350 just on fuel, so I'm really happy. This is a diesel, so this thing will run pretty economically. So happy days guys, I'm really happy. And we're going to do it on Monday, so we've got a lot of bloody work to do. Alright guys, we are at Bunnings. Let's get the rest of this stuff happening, eh? $11. Get some of this. All right, chat, here we are. Beginning of the operation pack bags. So we bought some cardboard boxes, brought some plastic bags, got the tape, got everything we need. We just got to get rolling now. So I'm going to go through these crates here and pretty much determine what's got really perishable stuff and what hasn't. So that's where we will start. Anyway, you guys are here for the ride. Welcome again, welcome to my channel. Great to have you. Feeling a little bit of anxiety today, I'm not going to lie. I was a little bit down in the dumps. The other thing is we've got to watch our alcohol intake. I know we're on holidays now, but Jeffy's been slipping into it a bit, so we're going to have to rein that in so we can focus, guys, okay? We can't party yet. We're not there, so I think I need to just start getting into it. I haven't stopped editing and working on the channel. I've been working ferociously to bring you guys the content, and you'll see that the production value will get better and better once I get into the swing of it. I've had plenty of experience in the media industry. If you have a look at my other channel, that shows all of the major films that I've made. I'm an old feature filmmaker from way back, so we know how to cut a show or two, but this is a new game, and yeah, we're just going to try and keep this a personal journey, and yeah, just hopefully bring you guys along for the ride. And I'm sure a lot of you can understand some of the things you go through when you're moving and making big decisions. You know, it grows on your mind, and you gotta hold your emotional intelligence together, or you got to hold your emotions together and stay focused. It's easy to slip, and more so probably because I'm alone. I've got my son helping me. He's great. He's all my kids are awesome kids, and he actually put a rocket up my ass this afternoon. He's like, come on man, let's get down there, because I was just moping around. But I haven't been sitting around doing nothing. What I have been doing, guys, and it took me 2 days, and that was data wrangling all of my computers and getting the laptop that I'm going to take to Asia, getting it to a production acceptable state. So I've had to, you know, get rid of all the kids' games and really reformat that computer so it's ready to go, because I'm going to be cutting every second of the day to try and pump out 100 videos in 3 months. That's my goal. So we are shooting ahead. All right, let's get stuck into this then, and see if I can make sense of all of this stuff.
Stay tuned for the next episode, and do us a favour everyone, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way you can support us right now. And if you want the updates on the latest releases, hit the bell button there for the notifications. Catch you next time. Thanks for visiting our channel.